You've probably heard of the word IoT, Internet of Things. Ambient computing is the next level to IoT. It is the latest and the most phenomenal development happening in the world of technology. Keeping the human at the center, it marries many technologies to create an ambience and an environment which is human-centric. Think of what you would be able to create if you could effectively marry artificial intelligence with cognitive processing. Cognitive processing is about thinking, knowing, remembering, problem-solving, decision-making, and perception. Higher-level brain functions entailing imagination, language, and planning. Different types of cognitive processes are learning. That involves acquiring a new skill, synthesizing information, and integrating it with existing knowledge. Memory. Memory is about absorbing and retaining information. Perception. The ability to see, hear, or become aware of something through the senses and the way in which something is regarded, understood, or interpreted. Thought. The act or process of thinking. Attention is the ability to actively process specific information in the environment while tuning out other details. Ambient computing is about delivering tools that are of day-to-day use and such that they seamlessly integrate into our day-to-day work environment that they almost become invisible. You will not even be aware that those tools are there, yet they will be performing. For example, in your day-to-day work environment, you could have ambient computing in the form of sensors that capture your soft skills. Let's say they capture your written skills and your oral speaking skills. Now the skills information is sent to your LMS without you knowing. As a result, your updated learning path is created in the LMS basis the personalized feedback that you got. Now similarly, it would send nuggets or specific coaching interventions that your manager needs to make when he or she speaks to you. Now all of that is happening in parallel without being visible or without you making any additional effort. Yet all these systems are seamlessly integrated and connected. That's the power of ambient computing. Characteristics of ambient computing. Data. Since the power of ambient computing lies in the fact that it is contextual, data centers are at the heart of this model. Without data, you cannot get contextual. Embedded. The technology is seamlessly integrated with the environment, almost making it invisible. Simple. The ambient computing systems need to be simple to use and should drive engagement. And finally, collaborative. Ambient computing tools need to be collaborative and plug and play to be able to integrate other tools and platforms. Ambient computing and L&D. Now, as we move towards hybrid models and smart workplace environments, it is very, very imperative that we use ambient computing to the maximum to get the best returns and enable both the employees as well as the organization. From how we communicate to how we innovate, it will help us by always staying a step ahead of us and proactively helping us take better decisions. In learning and development, it will give us tremendous personalized data at an individual level that will help us create customized learning path and specific coaching interventions. The contextual and the cognitive processing will make several soft skills more tangible by giving us data on real-life job scenarios. Over time, this data will result in mind-boggling insights on organization culture and impact on business outcomes. Let us look at an example of a tool called K-Word used to help improve employees' written communication skills. Deployed across a team of 250 customer service assistants, it assessed emails real-time. This is what the data showed. 45% of all the outgoing emails had no empathy. The communication style was 55% assertive, 35% passive, and 10% aggressive. The email sentiment was 30% joyful, 25% sad, 20% fearful, and 25% calm. Segmented by customer type, it showed that passive and aggressive emails were mostly being sent to the age group of 18 to 30 years. Since the above data is available at an individual and an organization level, the system automatically directs the appropriate learning content to the agent. At a team level, the above insights helped A. the organization understand the quality of communication, B. improve the communication before it is sent, C. strategize the learning and development needs for the whole group based on data. As an L&D professional, it is important to start deploying tools that coach your people on the job real time. This is the first step to start setting a foundation for ambient computing in the future. Hope you find this video useful. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video.